Hyde Park is made up of a 5-man crew. We have 64 miles and 21 miles which are blacktop that we maintain. To reduce our salt use, we've added the air temperature sensor, the computer salter, and the salt brine. So in 2016, we invested in computer salters for our salt trucks, which we calibrate our trucks every fall so we know exactly how many pounds per mile we're putting out. These will slow down with the truck, it'll speed up with the truck, so I'm always putting out whatever pounds per mile I'm looking to apply for whatever storm we're dealing with. In 2017, we invested in air ground temperature sensors, which is this unit down here, which tells me the ground temperature, the air temperature. That is like a black ice event. If I can see that I'm running a road temperature of 35 degrees, I don't need to salt it. I see if I'm at 33, 32, I'm salting, trying to treat the roads for black ice, but we save a lot of money by that because we may only put out, say, 3 yards of salt for our whole route compared to a 7 yards, or so that's been a very good payback for us for our salt. In 2019, I bought a used salt brine machine. In 2023, we showed that we saved enough where my select board was on board of purchasing a new machine, which I think we purchased for $40,000. I think we invested in that one.
We've cut our salt use almost in half. So this is our salt brine maker. We got a big tub here that has water and salt that agitates. The water just mixes around until it gets to a 23.3. When it gets to the 23.3%, it pumps out. When it needs more water, it adds water all by itself. And when it gets low on salt, we just add more salt to the bucket. Then during a storm, we go out and we fill up the trucks to spread it onto the salt.
We spray at our spinner, so our salt is just think of sand on a beach. You couldn't make a sandcastle if it was dry, and it would just blow around. The same thing what we're doing is we're making it wet, so it actually just drops and stays there. It doesn't blow off the first car that comes by. So for us, we've been very happy with that because all of our salt stays in our road. We've reduced our salt budget. Our taxpayers have been happy, our select board's been happy, and we've been happy.
Some of the other benefits is the benefits on the environment, the waterways. You know, you're not polluting all the streams, you're not polluting Lake Champlain. We're spreading a lot less salt. All that salt people spread, it goes into the streams or the stormwater. So the less salt that we spread is better impact on the environment.
We've received 0 complaints since we started salt brine, which is amazing, but we're very happy the way it's working out for us. We've been very pleased with it. One of the best things we've done for our winter maintenance.